This is Catherine from Accelerated Reader. Today I'll be reading Playtime for Puppy. Puppy likes to run and jump. Puppy likes to play all day. It's not time to play, says Dad. It's time to eat. I'm done eating. Is it time to play now? Asks Puppy. No, it's time to take a nap, says Dad. I'm done napping. Is it time to play now? Asks Puppy. No, it's time to pick up, says Dad. I'm done picking up. Is it time to play now? Asks Puppy. Yes, now it's time to play, says Dad. Woof, 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 woof. The end. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what books you'd like for me to read next. As always, thank you for listening.